On a hot summer day, the temperature might read 90 degrees, but it can feel much hotter. Why does this happen? In this video, we explore the heat index, how humidity affects your body, and the science behind why hot days can feel dangerously hotter than the thermometer suggests. The heat index is what the temperature feels like to the human body when humidity is included. Unlike a simple thermometer reading, it accounts for how moisture in the air affects your ability to cool down. The result is called the apparent temperature. Your body cools itself primarily through sweating. When sweat evaporates from your skin, it carries heat away, lowering your body temperature. This process works efficiently in dry air when evaporation happens quickly. Humidity measures how much moisture already is in the air. When the air is humid, it can absorb much more water, so sweat evaporates more slowly. Instead of cooling you down, sweat remains on your skin and your body retains heat. Meteorologists use heat index charts to estimate how dangerous conditions might be. Both temperature and humidity rise, the heat index increases rapidly. These charts include warning zones where heat-related illnesses become more likely. Let's look at a real example. On a typical Sunday afternoon in Atlanta, the temperature might reach about 92 degrees with a relative humidity near 60%. Using the heat index chart, we follow these values to their intersection. Result is a heat index of 105 degrees, well into the danger zone. The heat index is more than just a number. It directly affects your safety. As the heat index rises, your body has a harder time cooling itself, resulting in the risk of heat-related illnesses. On the left, you see common symptoms of heat exhaustion such as heavy sweating, weakness, and dizziness. If conditions worsen, it can lead to heat stroke, shown on the right, a much more serious condition that can include confusion, high body temperature, and even loss of consciousness. In summary, the heat index explains why hot days feel hotter. It all comes down to how humidity affects your body's ability to cool itself through evaporation. The higher the humidity, the greater the risk. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, check out more videos in the Meteorology playlist on the Math and Physics Learning channel.